Welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. Today, I am going to show you how to make a sweet and savory ground turkey tortilla bake. You might think this recipe will be too sweet, but when all the ingredients meld together in the oven, it becomes a tasty and satisfying dish. Let's get started. You will need a 13 by 9 baking dish and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Drain and wash both cans of black beans. Easiest way to chop up ground meat is to use a meat chopper, and I got mine at Walmart. Drain the ground turkey after it's been thoroughly cooked. I am adding the garlic, and always stir the ground turkey after adding an ingredient. Add the taco seasoning. Stir well. Add the beans. Stir and cook for about 3 minutes. Brush olive oil onto the baking dish. Place 4 tortillas to the bottom of the dish. Then add half of the turkey mixture on top of the tortillas. Spoon and spread dollops of sour cream on top of turkey mixture. Sprinkle half of the cheese on top of sour cream. Place the last 4 tortillas on top of cheese. Then add and spread the remaining turkey mixture onto the tortillas. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top of the turkey mixture. Place in oven and bake at 375 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. After it has come out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. There it is, sweet and savory turkey tortilla bake. It is so delicious. All the ingredients combined make an excellent dish bursting with flavor. You are going to love it. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.